It's Tumbleweeda, and it's time to eat the red bud. See these? For some reason they're really red this year. You just pick them like this. They're very red and very spicy. But you gotta get them when they're tender, okay? Actually, I need some vegetables today. And you see this leaf? It's like a heart-shaped leaf. I'm not too fond of the leaves. But this is a tree that has red-violet puffs of flowers growing off it before the leaves. You can't even recognize this tree, like, after those flowers are gone. And then the leaves come out after that, and they flower around the same time as the cherry. Okay? So I'm enjoying myself here. It's Tumbleweed again. And the UFOs, the mountain laurel, the UFOs have landed and are landing. You see how they look like a little UFO? And that's all I want to say about that. Okay. These are just tiny examples over here, but so worthy. So worthy.